Good afternoon and welcome again to MarineMax Stuart down in sunny Florida. We are going to take a look at a new piece of inventory that just arrived. 2024 Sea Ray 290 Sun Deck. This boat is equipped with the upgraded 250 horsepower Mercury V8s with joystick steering, which makes it very easy to dock for anybody behind the wheel. We have the upgraded loungers on the aft, sea deck throughout the whole boat, plenty of room for storage, cockpit fridge, a wet bar area, great wraparound seating, tow arch with bimini, 12-inch Simrad display. There's a joystick, twin pinnacle controls, generous size head on the port side, storage underneath the helm for your tables, in-floor storage for skis, fenders, anything else, optional bow table. The sun decks are known for running their beam further forward, which is called beam forward design. This gives you a tremendous amount of space inside the cockpit. Windlass controls. You have forward bow sprayer. When you're at the sandbar getting on, you have to swim to the back of the boat. Great lounging, great seating, great all-around running boat. If you want to see this boat in person or questions about any boat we have in inventory, my name is Dan Thompson. I can always be reached on my cell phone at 978-375-1584. Thank you again. Look forward to seeing you on the water.